Hi there friends, in this video I'll show you how to delete your YouTube search history on Android using the newest 2026 update. If you want more privacy, cleaner recommendations, or simply want to remove old searches from your account, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open the YouTube app on your Android phone. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account because your search history is connected to your account activity. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This will open your account menu where you can access different settings and history controls. Next, tap Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option called Manage All History and open it. This section is connected to your Google activity page where all your YouTube searches and watched videos are stored. Once you are inside the history page, tap the Delete button. You will now see several delete options. Delete Today removes only the searches from today. Delete Custom Range lets you choose specific dates. Delete All Time permanently deletes your entire YouTube search history. Choose the option you want to use. If you want a completely fresh start, tap Delete All Time. After selecting the option, confirm by tapping Delete again. Your YouTube search history will now be removed from your Android device and Google account. If you also want YouTube to stop saving your searches in the future, you can turn off search history completely. Go back to the Manage All History section. Tap the option called Saving Your YouTube History. Here you'll find controls for search and watch activity. Turn off YouTube search history to stop future searches from being stored. This feature is useful if you share your phone with others, want better privacy, or do not want old searches affecting your recommendations. Keep in mind that disabling history may slightly change how personalized your YouTube recommendations are. The 2026 YouTube app update makes it much easier to control your privacy settings directly from Android without needing a computer. Just follow these simple steps anytime you want to clear or manage your search activity. That's it. Your YouTube search history is now deleted on Android, and you also know how to stop YouTube from saving future searches.